So welcome back. Today, we're fixing cracks. Today I'm going to fix the floors in Project JOATMON. To start with, I've cleaned the metal up around the cracks themselves to make them easily ready for welding. I've taken an 1/8 inch drill bit and I've drilled a hole at the end of each crack to help stop the crack continuing after I weld it. And now I've sprayed it with some SEM weld through primer. I'm letting it dry, and then once it's dry I can start to weld. So the surface prep for this is everything, and you'll want to have a welding spoon at the back, so I'll show you mine when I get it ready. But as soon as this is dry, we're going to get going. Okay, so here you can kind of see the floor on the passenger side itself. You can see there's cracks all the way through here, here, and there. So this was a hole that was already there. I've tried to beat this all together to make it easy. Then you can see there's cracks at the beginning and the end. So now you can see I'm almost to the end of that, there, and all that. So now I just need to get this primer dry. This is why it's so gray here. Just get that dry, and then I'm going to start welding. Okay, so everything's ready to go. The weld through primer is dry. The welder is set up for about 20 gauge, somewhere in there. I've got my mask, I've got my gloves, and then I've got a welding spoon. So if you've never MIG welded with a welding spoon, you basically are going to put this on the back side of the hole. So if you weld down through it, this is still conductive, but the weld is not going to stick to it like it would a steel one where it fuse it together. So you can just place this behind it, weld through it, and then this will kind of just pull off easily, and then you've got your MIG weld. So that's it. Now it's time to burn some metal.
Just a mistake, what do you come back to me? Every step that you take, echoes through me. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. You got too close, getting around. You close your eyes, but there's so much to say. I see your hand shake away, but I won't leave as long as I'm still breathing. It's the hearts that you break, you can live back home. So you give just to take. Why can't you slow down?
Alright, so with the passenger side done, I'm going to move on to the driver's side. Really, it's the same process. This side actually has some wiring on it that I need kind of be cognizant of. Pull it up out of the way, so I've got it kind of stuffed up in a brush holding it there. Pretty much the same thing. Welding, checking, welding, checking, welding, checking, till it's done, and then I can clean up the welds, get it ready for some primer, and that's it. Then it's on to the next piece. So let's burn some more metal. gangrenos. That's the finished product. So after I've welded everything, I use my grinder to kind of knock off the high points of the welds. Now, I'm not going to say I'm a great welder. I'm a functional welder, and I have to grind off some extra stuff. So I'm okay with that. I'm a grinder. I get it. So after that, I've vacuumed it all out. I used a wire brush just to kind of rough everything up. I used some degreaser to clean it off, get everything cleaned back up. And I actually scrubbed with the wire brush and the grease, the degreaser, I guess. And that got everything clean. Then I used, if you can kind of see, it's kind of got a green. This is an etching primer. So it will cover any bare metal, etch into that, and that's protected. And then everything that was covered by the rust inhibitor that I did previously, it's covered that anyway. So it's got a double layer protection and it's okay. I did find one other crack that I need to fix, so I will go back and fix that now, but then the floor is ready and I can apply some sound deadener from that. And I have one more area on the driver's door that I need to fix that is also cracked, but that is the subject for another video. That's all from this time. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, I guess you can drop them down below. We, or I, will see you next time.